Guys, so here's the problem with my hair. So my hair is so pretty, it's so long, I love it. But I just curled it about 10 minutes ago. They were full ringlets. Now it looks like this. It doesn't look bad, but I wanted curls for school tomorrow. And it's not going to be curly by the morning at all because all that's curled is the ends. And it looks pretty now, but in probably like an hour it will be straight. And I don't have any hairspray right now because I just ran out from doing slick backs for soccer. I just ran out of hairspray. So I don't know what to do. I might just recurl it tomorrow morning for school. I'm gonna have to just get up early. Guys, help. I don't know what to do.